Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to my channel. Have something that should be pretty simple to show today, but I thought it was really cool. So I'm going to start off just showing some images here, and these are all Chinese 3D Chinese watercolor uh, portraits or posters. Well, it says right here, they're 3D Chinese watercolor paintings designed as a film poster. That's the idea. And I've done 3D. I'm sorry, I've done the Chinese watercolor paintings, but never with the 3D. So I thought these were quite nice. And all I did was to take a sample prompt, give it to Midjourney, I'm sorry, to ChatGPT, and ask it to create similar ones. And I got the idea from just looking at with the Explorer, which I'll show in a moment. And this is, I was very happy to find this. I think these are quite nice. Whoops, that one kind of skipped. And yeah, generally speaking, I will like do prune out certain ones, but I mean, all of these turn out good, so I just kept all of them. Okay, so I'm going to I want to show a couple of things. So one thing is you can go to Explore. This is what I like to do. I like the random one. And you can just like refresh and then, get more random ones and just look around till you find something that you like. That's couldn't be simpler. You just click on the one that you like and you do copy, uh, copy prompt, and that's it. You can take that to ChatGPT and have it do variations for you. And I find I need to tell it fairly precisely what I want, or I mean, it's up to you. It'll tend to vary quite a bit when you ask it to do something similar. So I tell it so for example, what I liked about this was I like this last sentence a lot. The artwork is in high definition, 3D, rendered as a Chinese watercolor painting designed as a stunning film poster. So I said, keep that last sentence the same, and you can, change around the first three sentences. That was the basic idea of what I told it to do. But I asked it to keep it close to the original because I liked it, but just to kind of change the location, the type of tree, the time of year, that sort of thing. Okay, now the other thing I wanted to show you is if you go to organize, then you can gather together a group of um, images that you've done. And so I'll show how to do that. So you do create folder, and I'll do demo for the name. Okay, and create the folder. And then, so these are all the images that I did today. So see, I want to put them in my demo photo. Okay, and I wonder why it's just showing today. What is this? Today. I've reached the end. I don't know why it's doing today instead of all of the images. I would expect to show, yeah, there we go. Here's all the images. Okay, so actually, I'll just do a few for the demo because that will be sufficient. But basically, you just choose the ones that you like. And the way that you do this, the way that I found that you can do it, is you can multi-select by doing Shift left mouse click. Or is it, I think that's right, yes, like this. Okay, so I'm doing a Shift left mouse click. And then you just do whichever ones you want. So I'll just do these 8. And then at the bottom here it says More. So I'm going to click on More, and then it'll say Add to Folder. Click on that, and I'm going to click to the demo folder. Okay, here's the demo folder. Okay, and if you just click somewhere, it'll undo the selection that made it look smaller. And there you go. And so I wanted to mention that because I found the shift left click I found that by accident. I just was like, I wonder if there's a way you can multi-select on these and just try that out and it works. So I wanted to show that because I don't think that's very intuitive, but it's a very handy way of being able to, you don't have to drag them individually one by one. So to review a couple of easy ideas, you can just go to Explore, find a prompt you like, copy and paste the prompt to ChatGPT, and ask it for variations. And then after you run them, you can organize them just like what I showed, put them in a folder. Really nice way of keeping track of things that you're doing. Well, thanks for watching, and until next time.